Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. That's your vibe? I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you my February update to the Project Panopoly. So if you want to see everything I've been working on and what we're rolling in and out, let's go ahead and get into it. If you don't know anything about this project, it was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner here on YouTube and over on Instagram. And it's a game board Monopoly inspired project. This is hosted over on Google Sites. Everything's listed in the description box, the website, and all of that. It's just like Monopoly. You start with 2 dice, you start on the start tile, you go to where you go, and you do what the prompt tells you. If you are confused on what a prompt means, on the home page, there will be blurbs at the bottom for things like that. There is a challenge wheel when you do land on challenge wheel, and you go spin that, and that gives you some challenges to complete. And if you want to use the random use wheel instead of picking your own uses, there is also that, which is what I'm doing. So I think that's everything. And you're to work on 5 products. You could do collection specific goals, but again, I'm doing the random uses. So let's just get on into it. We're going to save, we only have 1 rollout, so we're going to save that for the end. And actually, let me get out the proper color of highlighter. Maybe. Because, so I highlight declutters in my inventory notebook in blue because that notebook is blue, but this notebook is orange and flowery, so I highlight these things in pink. It's worms in the brain, it's a whole thing. So my very first prompt was go to jail, which is finish a product. And so for that, I picked this Lottie London blush. Here, let me clean it up for you so you can see it better, the progress I've made, because I've made some pretty substantial progress. I used this once in January, that is it, but I used it as a lip balm, a lip and a blush, and I hit side pan because I'm not gonna get in there and scrape it, so I'm calling that side pan. You will be seeing comparison photos from last month to now, so only 1 use, but I do think it looks a lot different. I am going to work my way this way, I think, because we'll see the most progress that way. Does still smell fine. I'm smelling all my cream products right now because I had to declutter half of my Super Shock collection randomly. Everything's was fine, and then it just wasn't. So please check your cream products, smell your cream products, make sure they're good, make sure the consistencies are the same. Please do all that. Hi, Blazemere. You just had water. You don't get treats till your dad wakes up. You're good. For the next product, I had to spin the challenge wheel, and I ended up getting, bless you, a 50 use goal. When I started this, the board was so against me. So for a 50 use goal, I picked my Natasha Denona. So sorry, it's reflective. This is the Berry Pop Cheek Palette. So I think in December is when I hit pan on this, and I have not really expanded it. I don't think I haven't taken the progress photos yet. So you'll be seeing weights on the screen, progress photos if there are any, all the good stuff, because I'm being a good project panner now. I have scale, I'm taking photos, doing the things. I used this 10 times in January. So we're getting it. To be fair, each dip into a pan counts as a use. But I'm wearing it today. I'm wearing both. This is technically a cream, but you can fight me on it. It's a powder blush. And like, it's listed as a cream blush, and everybody says, well, it's a cream to powder. It is a powder blush. Like, it's just a straight up powder. So, but I'm wearing this and this today. So, I wish this highlight was, because like these pull very cool toned and this pulls super warm. And I just wish the highlight was a little more cool toned. But I love this trio and it makes me want to buy the My Dream trio really, really bad. But I don't need any more cream products in my collection for a long time. So the next product I got was a You Choose eye product. So any kind of eye product. And I didn't grab that out actually. So for that I chose a shadow stick because I don't give my shadow sticks enough love. And it's no longer my favorite. It's actually been dethroned. But at the time, this was my favorite shadow stick. And this is the About Face matte shadow stick in the shade Aliens Are Real. It's this gorgeous chartreuse. And I have a 30 use goal on this guy. I used it 6 times in January. So that's the best so far that I've done. We're sitting, hang on, back up. So for the Lottie London blush, we have 10 uses total. I have to finish it, but 10 uses total. For the Berry Pop Cheek Trio, we're sitting at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 out of my 50 uses. So sorry. And then for this, we are sitting at 5, 10, 11, we're at 12. So just about halfway there. I've been doing a lot of green looks. The only issue with this is because of its color being chartreuse, even though I've been doing a lot of green looks, it doesn't go with every green look. But that's why I used it 6 times in the month of January, was because I did a million green looks. So we're halfway there. We're getting there. It's getting use. But yeah, it's been dethroned, and I did not think that would happen. I don't think I would buy any more About Face shadow sticks. But I don't think anything will ever dethrone the matte fluid eye paints, to be fully honest. The next item we got was a cream eyeshadow. So for that, I pulled out my oldest cream eyeshadow. And this is the Koki eyeshadow. It's the Crystal Fusion eyeshadow in the shade Polaris, which you can still get these on Amazon. Still smells fine. It's gorgeous. I love this shade. I got this, I think, in an Ipsy or in a Birchbox years ago. I have a 30 use goal on this as well. I didn't touch it in January. I'm just learning when it comes to singles like this, liquid shadows, shadow sticks, I don't like shimmers. I want mattes because I have magnetic singles, and in my magnetic singles, I don't want mattes. I want sparkly shimmers. So that's what I'm learning about myself, but the ones that I have, I want to try to get use. So we're sitting at 2 out of 30 uses still. So, and then what does this say? Oh yeah, because we're going to talk about that. Next, last month, we got colorful eyeshadow. So I pulled out this ZC liquid glitter. It's like a liner eyeshadow. It's got a silicone tip, which I really like, because it's supposed to be an eyeliner, but you can't do it as an eyeliner. You have to pat it out, and then it's a glittery eyeshadow. But it looks pink, but it turns to like a peachy orange. It's really pretty. It's in the shade number 12. We got this in an ice cream beauty box for October, for my birthday month. I have a 5 use goal because I believe I got baby goal, and I have not used it yet. But I'm hoping in February I will get some use on it because, you know, pink looks. I could have put it on today, but I'm testing a palette today, so didn't. But love to, but can't. And then we have a rollout. and then we have a thing to talk about. So, the next product I got was a lip balm. So, I had just gotten this in my Ipsy. I think it was my regular Ipsy glam bag. I got this. It was the Pixie by Petra Lip Glow in the shade Fleur. So, it looks like this. It's very sheer. Smells like mint. It tingles when you put it on, but it's not plumping. I had a 10 use goal on this because I got to choose my uses. So I chose a 10 use goal because I wanted to get to know the product. This is one of those clicky pens, so once you click it up, it doesn't go down. I got 6 uses on it, and then I decided I'm decluttering this on the 16th of January. Couple reasons. One, I can't stand the mint smell, and it doesn't go away once you apply it. It sits there the entire time it's on your lips. I do not like mint. The only mint I like is spearmint, and the only spearmint I enjoy are those little like hard candy spearmints that look like the peppermints. That's the only thing I like that's mint. That's it. So can't stand that. I don't like the tingly feeling you get when you put this on. Hate that. I hate lip plumpers. Granted, this doesn't plump your lips. It doesn't hurt. But I don't like the tingly feeling. You make those biscuits, buddy. He's making big biscuits. And then my biggest issue, it's so thick and gloopy on the lips, and I don't roll up. I rolled up a lot to show you guys, but I put out the thinnest layer, but it's just, you can feel it like it's a film on your lips, and I just don't like it. So I'm decluttering this. I'm throwing it away. I got 6 out of my 10 uses, and I'm calling that a prompt done. So before we get into the board and rolling things in, we did want to talk about 2 things. Number 1, for the Koki eyeshadow and the ZC liquid eyeshadow, if I have not used them one time, by the next update, they're getting decluttered. Because I should, in the month of February, they're both pinky, champagne-y, goldy colors. I should be able to use those in the month of Valentine's Day. If I have not used those by the next update, they are getting decluttered. Period. End of story. So I just want to let you know that. And for me, with projects, generally speaking, if something gets decluttered, I just count that as a prompt done because it is what it is. But we're going to go ahead and roll in a new product. This will all be on the screen for you guys. Let me go ahead and screen record this. So we're going to start with rolling the dice. So we got a 6. So we're going to go to our board. And so we were on lip balm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on challenge wheel. So one moment. All right. The website was being ridiculous. So challenge wheel. Let's see. What did we get? What did we get? Try a makeup trend. All right. So we'll have a rollout for next month at least one. I don't know. I think I'll try that mocha mousse thing, like do a whole mocha mousse look and maybe film it as a short or at least take a photo of it to be able to show you guys in the next update. I think that'd be really good because like that's a makeup trend right now. Everybody's doing the mocha mousse look because that's the Pantone color of the year. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So that's going to conclude the February update. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!